Today you find us at Laggan Wolf Tracks, one of the best and most beautiful trail centres in the UK. However, we're not riding here, we're just stopping for a pee. Here's the driver with an empty bladder now. I said here's the driver with an empty bladder now.
Yeah, needed that.
Did you have a poo as well?
I did.
So today we find ourselves at Loch Laggan, and I'm with the Fatbike North East Scotland and the Fatbike Highland clubs, and the person I want to talk to is riding away because he's obviously got self-conscious. but Martin here,
hello,
has organised us a ride. What you got for us today, Martin?
I've no idea because the person that's leading it isn't here.
Oh well.
But as far as I know, it's an out and back to Corrour Station.
Corrour Station,
probably
yes.
the most remote station in the UK. A bite to eat. I believe it's all good surfaces all the way out there. We can detour on the way back and go south of the loch if you want to go muddy and rough, or we can just come back the way we went out.
Out and back will be fine for me, I think. And thank you for letting me come on my cheaty bike.
Always welcome. You won't be the first, you won't be the last.
He might be buying my fat bike off me now if I don't get better, eh?
Maybe, yeah. Maybe.
Got it documented now.
Just not. But
Well, the last day of school.
Happy bro.
Spot on.
Well done, Martin. Nice climb, that,
disaster.
I'm going to come from further back there.
Back wheel better not slip down to the right.
Come on, Danny McCaskill.
Danny the Spaskell. Probably pick a line now then.
Cool. Some of it's looking a little bit green though. Yeah.
For those of you that never made it today because of the weather, you're missing it.
Well, Nick, I'm surprised you're speaking to me anyway because of the sandwich fiasco, that's all I'll say. It wasn't me that started it.
I doubt you'll hear a word I'm saying because of the wind, but as you can probably see and hear, the weather's taken a wee turn for the worse. Bit of an April shower, temperature's about 3 degrees, it's almost snow, but loving it, loving being out. It's a beautiful place, not too far from Corrour now, maybe 5 miles I think. So get there and get some lunch and then we'll head back, probably the same way. There she goes. Meow.
Say hi. Do we know if that's a fully functioning bottle?
It is, aye. Rhododendrons out early. What's all that about? It's been a cold winter too, up here. Nearly there, you can see the station in the background there, and you've got the Loch Laggan Youth Hostel there too. Oh, better pay attention here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo! This one-handed cycling is a bit difficult when it gets a bit rough.
Oh, he will. His legs were getting sore the last time I was speaking to him. And that was before we realised it was 5 more miles.
Is that the mountain?
Oh.
of the boys, Josh, he's really suffering on the way here. Fortunately, the way back the wind will be at our back, and there's a lot less climbing on the way back. There's twice as much climbing to come as there is on the way back, so hopefully it'll be okay. Otherwise you'll be getting a train and a taxi.
Bush.
Bush.
Well done, that man. Yeehaw. Corrour Station. Oh yes, sir.
Very busy, bad boys, just standing right against the fence.
Scotland, shite! They say they hate the English. They're just wankers.
East Coast as well, is that right?
How rude.
Just cheers, please.
How rude. Sorry about that. I know, I've been hearing about BLT, I know it's coming.
Sorry.
I'll take it.
BLT for the win.
Train I1. Well, the food here at Corrour was excellent. Can't recommend it enough. Really tasty and loads of it, and really good service, really nice people, and a nice vibe to the place. But that's where the vibe ends, because it's freezing and blowing a gale. Luckily it's at our back now, so there we go, 27k back. So this is alongside Loch Laggan, and we thought these old mossy covered logs look pretty cool. Such a shame that they're wasted though. That's all chopped down and wasted. Oh, excuse me.
Really? No, that's not what it was. What? What's it?
Talking about something old and mossy in the woods.
Talking about yourself again, Pete.
Look at him. That's cool. Cool, but shameful. Killed trees for no reason. These rhododendrons must have been put here by Victorians, brought from Himalayas or somewhere. They're totally incongruous with the surroundings here. Yeah, they look absolutely stunning. I don't think the GoPro does it justice. Hope it does. Old demolished quarry building or something here, I reckon. It's given us a bit of respite from the wind and rain while we wait for the others to catch up. It's pretty wild up here, but overall it's been okay. Certainly not worth cancelling for you lightweights. I nearly said something inappropriate.
You nearly did, yeah.
What? Give him praise for doing right? No.
You're going to make him sweat until after tea?
Wait until he sat down having tea, and I'll tell Becky that he did okay. Okay, only okay.
No handshake then?
Yeah.
No, okay.
Tough taskmaster, aren't you? Tough. So we reckon that this here is the last climb.
Pretty devilish that it is.
Fingers crossed.
Out and about.
Can't say it now.
Last climb and then the last descent. You can see the road over there. So
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Obviously keeping up, but I'm here.
Keep it up.
doing great, Josh. Don't listen to him, you're doing great.
Thank you, Pete.
So Paul,
Ah.
Laggan to Corrour Station and back.
Yeah,
How'd you find it?
I loved it. It was
Yeah.
very good. Chips were nice. Company was nice. Weather was nice-ish. We saw the steam train. That was nice.
That was nice. Yeah.
And what else? Oh, the chocolate was lovely.
Chocolate was good. The ruffle bar.
Cheers.
Who brought the chocolate?
Roberta.
What did you think of it, Rob?
I thought it was excellent. All the better for it being minging, wet, miserable weather.
Aye.
Yeah, makes you feel quite righteous. All those lazy buggers lying at home in their beds. It was excellent. Not bad company either. Really good food. Yeah. Steam train for the win. Yeah.
Yes.
And raspberry ruffle bars.
Oh.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You better like each other's chocolate appreciation society.
Yeah, we should start one.
Get a fucking room.
What do you think of the trip, Pete?
Well, I've never been to Corrour Station, and we've all seen Trainspotting, and it's kind of an iconic place. So I've always wanted to visit. So today was my chance. I wasn't going to miss it up for anything. So the weather wasn't putting me off. Not having my fat bike or not being able to ride my fat bike maybe that distance, I probably could have done, but yeah, that wasn't going to put me off either. I'm glad I made it. The weather made it a bit more challenging, but I feel accomplished now. I really quite enjoyed the day. It was excellent. I'm glad I got out of bed and did it.
Well done, well done.
This man gets a big blue thump.
I'm allowed to be soft.
He knows I'm really joking. Nice one.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you for organising that. That was excellent.
Thailand next.
So, Josh, what was your opinion of the ride today?
For the first 200 yards, I loved it.
Oh, but you must have loved
That
the
was
destination and the station and all that kind of
It
stuff.
was gorgeous. It was
Yeah.
gorgeous. And a beautiful Scottish day.
Wasn't it?
There you go. So that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about.
Got one with nature.
One with nature. Something like that.
Do you want to lift my e-bike up there? Oh, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. It's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from her. Yeah.
Your trail dog sniffs your bike when you've not taken him with you. He wants to know where you've been. And then he'll look at you and say, "Why didn't you take me, Dad?"